Your first alert weather.
All right, outside, it's been a pretty hot weekend here, coming off of a 4th of July weekend with a few thunderstorms. That didn't slow down the traffic, though. Got this impressive picture from Yellowstone helicopters today. This was what it looked like over the weekend getting into Yellowstone. So the West Yellowstone towns up there. Here's the way into the park. It's just a traffic jam. Montana traffic jam, right? We are going to be looking for hot temperatures for the next couple of days. We're expecting to see some scattered thunderstorms, but we're going to turn down the thunderstorm threat just a little bit here. We have some thunderstorms still with us, especially in the upper valley. We had a couple thunderstorms, a fairly strong thunderstorm early around Blackfoot that even triggered a severe thunderstorm warning. It fizzled out as it came over Blackfoot and the warning was allowed to expire. But now we have a little thunderstorm that's currently getting into REXBURG right now out of the Snake Highlands. It's right now over St. Anthony, getting right along the Madison-Fremont County line. So we're talking about Sugar City right now. The core of that thunderstorm kind of skirting through on the north end of REXBURG, pushing to the southeast right now, moving towards Teton County, Idaho, and eventually expected to get over into areas close to western Wyoming and a little bit of eastern Bonneville County late tonight. We're expecting to hold on to the warm weather. In fact, it's actually going to intensify over the next couple of days. Things are really starting to heat up here as we get through tomorrow and Wednesday. The ridge of high pressure currently over Colorado, Utah, the Four Corners, that's going to slide over to Nevada here, and we're going to bump up the jet stream and we're going to bring in the heat. Vipercast, few thunderstorms out there tonight, but things winding down on that front. And then as we get through your Tuesday, we're expected to see a few thunderstorms out there. But again, the thunderstorm threat is very isolated here for tomorrow. So again, we're going to turn down the thunderstorm threat just a bit here for tomorrow, and the same for Wednesday. Sunny in the morning with a few clouds in the morning, but generally a pretty quiet day out there with partly sunny skies. And then a couple thunderstorms will try to get in here for Wednesday afternoon, most of which into the high country. So there's the ridge of high pressure as we go through the next couple of days. It starts getting over Nevada and Utah and Arizona. That low that's off the coast is going around the high. As it does so, the winds pick up. We're going to get some strong winds out of the south. That's what's going to pull up the heat here locally with highs into the mid to upper 90s, even some low 100s Wednesday afternoon. The low passing by to the north will drop our temperatures down just a smidge as we get into Thursday and Friday, but we'll see the heat rebound by the weekend. With the heat really kicking in here for the midweek, we have a heat advisory issued by the National Weather Service. This is for areas of the Arco Desert and the lower Snake River Plain with heat warnings to the west. Highs tomorrow, 89 for Montpelier, 91 in Lava Hot Springs, 94 for McCammon and Preston with 96 in Malad. Highs in Jackson at 86 along with Driggs, 93 for Rexburg, 85 in Island Park with highs in central Idaho into the upper 90s tomorrow for Salmon and Shallows, lower 90s in Ketchum and Sun Valley with the Idaho Falls area about 94 tomorrow. We'll see 95 for Blackfoot and Pocatello and up to about 97 in Burley. Temperatures falling just a bit here as we get on the other side of Wednesday, but Wednesday is going to be awfully hot with highs into the upper 90s Wednesday afternoon. We're looking at a high of 99 degrees for Wednesday. Got 90 degrees on Thursday and down to 87 on Friday for Blackfoot. Rexburg 95 and 96 for tomorrow and Wednesday. Those winds out of the south again driving in the heat. Temperatures will drop just a little bit for Thursday and Friday, right back into the 90s for the weekend. Salmon highs around 99 for Wednesday, 91 on Thursday. Sunny and hot this weekend there in central Idaho for the valleys, and no relief in sight. Not even a major storm or rain shower on the horizon, maybe just a couple thunderstorms out there, but even then it's looking pretty quiet. Jackson hot with highs around 86 for tomorrow, 90 on Wednesday. Temperatures do drop back to the mid to lower 80s by Thursday and Friday with again the movement of that low pressure to our north. Pocatello 100 degrees expected for Wednesday afternoon with gusty winds Wednesday. It's that wind out of the south really driving in those warmer temps. That will drop it down to the 80s by Friday, back into the 90s this weekend. Idaho Falls, your 8-day forecast, 94 and 96 for tomorrow and Wednesday. Yeah, it's going to be a hot couple of days out there. Lows sliding back to around 60 degrees, and then we're heading into some 90s again for the weekend. Plenty of sunshine, lows back into the 50s. Just looking hot all the way around, no matter how you slice it. Our John Adams, GMC Spirit of Idaho, comes to us from Melody on Idaho Falls. Got this picture of the Melaleuca Freedom celebration on Saturday. Just a beautiful shot of the fireworks, so I thought that'd make a perfect Spirit of Idaho for tonight. We need your Spirit of Idaho photos because we're starting a new month. Go to news3now.com. You go to the website, you go to the weather section. Under the weather tab, you'll see Spirit of Idaho.
Yeah,
but
that's very clear. I try to take it in, it's just a blur of color.
Yes.
Yeah.
I guess the shutter, you have to play around with that apparently. I don't know.
Yeah.
There's a thing to, you're going to hit the camera button or something. But we are going to be working on some hot temps here for the next couple of days. Oof.
All right. Keep cool, guys. All right. Well, coming up, a historic cyber attack is being investigated.